We'll guide you through how to upload files to ChatGPT. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to chatopena.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the ChatGPT homepage, you need to start a new conversation or open an existing one where you want to upload your file. Look for the plus icon and then a paperclip icon in the chat input area, which is your key to uploading files. Click on this icon and a File Explorer window will open up. Navigate to the location on your computer where the file you want to upload is stored. Select the file by clicking on it, then hit the open button in the File Explorer window. The file will begin uploading automatically and you'll see a progress bar indicating the upload status. Once the upload is complete, the file will appear in your chat conversation. Ready to be accessed or discussed. A quick note, ensure your file is within the supported formats and size limits specified by ChatGPT. As this could affect your upload, the simple step-by-step process allows you to share documents, images, or other files directly within your conversations, making collaboration or getting help even easier. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.